This company eliminated 1,400 hours of manual work monthly using AI workflows. Arcadia Professional Services had grown from 40 to 180 employees in 4 years, but their success came with a hidden cost. They were running 11 separate systems that didn't talk to each other. Every time a deal closed, someone manually created the project, sent welcome emails, generated invoices, and onboarded clients. The same data was being re-entered over 4 times per engagement. Their operations team spent 68% of their time on pure administration, with 0 time for actual improvements. Then they implemented AI workflows to connect everything automatically. No systems were replaced, just connected. The result, 1,400 hours of manual work, eliminated monthly, process errors cut by 91%, and their team finally freed up to focus on what actually matters. Sometimes the biggest transformation doesn't require replacing everything, just connecting what you already have. Get a free AI analysis by going to valuecreationai.net.